Class, our today's new topic is linear equation of one variable. So first I am talking about variable. You all aware about variable a, b, c, x, y. These all are variables. And you all know class variable have no specific value. According to the condition or according to the equation, you will get the value of variable. But in this time you can see we are talking about one variable but in equation. So what is the meaning of equation class? Equation means when your any numeric value and variable are there, then you can say that is equation. And linear equation means class, linear means straight or we can say simple. In this topic you will understand simple equation, and in that equation there are some numeric value like 2, 3, 4, these all are numeric value, and x, y, z, these all are variable. So in linear equation we are discussing about some numeric value and variable, but it's important here we only talking about one variable. It means there is one numeric value or maybe two numeric value, but there is only one variable like this. So this is the equation where you can see only one variable is there, and about numeric value there is no limit. So but it's important there is only one variable. So this kind of equations normally known as linear equation. Now after that class, it's very important to understand the linear equation. You have to understand the basic concept of variable and numeric value. Suppose I am talking about 2x. What is the meaning of that? 2 into x. 2 plus x, you all aware about that. What is the meaning of this? 2 minus x, x minus 2, you all aware about this. But in multiply, 2 into x, meaning is 2x. And it's important class. Suppose I am writing here 2 into x equal to 4. So this is also an equation. So you all aware about the basic concept of multiplication. If this is the multiply of x, 2 into x, so we can write this as x into 2, that is equal to 4. And if class I want to take this 2 from here to here, then at that time it is in the form of dividation. So x is equal to 4 upon 2, so x is equal to 2. So it's important to understand when we take any number from left side to right hand side, and if there is a multiplication sign, then that number when we take from left to right, we will take the division sign. For calculating any variable like x, so you have to take it in the left hand side, and all the numeric values, maybe any kind of numeric value is there, you have to take that in the right hand side, like here. Like if I am talking about x plus 2 is equal to 6. So class, for linear equation you have to take your variable in left hand side, put it here, and you have to move your numeric value in the right hand side with the numeric value. So plus 2 is here, when we take this plus 2 in the right hand side, then it will change its symbol. You all aware about that. So x equal to 4. If x minus 2 is equal to 6, at that time x is equal to 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. If x into 4 is equal to 8, so x is equal to 8 divided by 4. Multiply sign is here, when we take that 4 here, then the sign will change, multiply into division. So the answer is 2. So x is equal to 2. So these are the basic concept of numeric value and variable by which you can solve the equation and find the value of your variable. Now class, this is the question, x plus 2x equal to 9. So you all know x plus 2x, you can add them. So 3x equal to 9, and 3x means class 3 into x equal to 9, or we can say x into 3 is equal to 9. So as I told you, for finding the value of variable, you have to take your numeric value in the other side. So 9 divided by 3. So we can say 9 upon 3, the answer is 3. So x equal to 3. Second question is x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 14. So x plus 3x, 4x plus 6 is equal to 14. So 4x. Class, as I told you, you have to take your variable in the left hand side and numeric value in the right hand side. So when this 6 change its place, this plus 6 convert into minus 6. So 4x is equal to 8, and 4x means class 4 into x, or we can say x into 4. So x is equal to 8 divided by 4, the meaning is 2. So x is equal to 2. Now class, in this question 7 plus 5x minus 3x equal to 21. So as I told you, solve this first. 5x minus 3x, 2x, 7 just write as it is. So 7 plus 2x equal to 21. So now for finding the value of x, you have to take this 7 from here to here. 2x equal to this minus this, 2x equal to 14, x equal to, this is the multiplication of 2 and x. So when we take this 2 from left hand side to right hand side, it will divide. Answer is 7. Next question is 9x plus 5 equal to 4x plus 30. In this question class, you can see there is a one variable here and one variable here. So x is here, x is here. So take x in one side and take numeric value in the other side. So for that 9x is here, and if you want to take this 4x from right hand side to left hand side, so at that time you have to change its symbol. This is plus 4x. When you take this from right to left, it will change its symbol. And now 30, just write as it is. This plus 5, so this plus 5 change into minus 5. So 9 minus 4, 5x equal to 25, and x equal to 25 upon 5, x equal to 5. This is your answer. Now class, 2x minus 3 equal to 9 minus x. So take this x from right side to left hand side is equal to 9. Take this minus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So this minus convert into plus. So 3x equal to 12, and x equal to 12 upon 3, x equal to 4. Now class, this is another type of question. 2 in bracket, there is a x plus 2 plus 3 equal to 9. So first solve the bracket. So 2 into x, 2x, and plus 2 into 2, 4. Now by solving the bracket, you can find 2x plus 4 plus 3 equal to 9. And now solve this. 2x, 4 plus 3, 7 equal to 9. So 2x equal to 9 minus 7. Take this 7 from left side to right hand side. 2x equal to 2, and x equal to 2 upon 2. So x equal to 1. So this is how you solve your questions. Now class, another question is x equal to 17 minus 3, 2x plus 1. As I told you, solve your bracket first. So minus 3, this is plus. So minus into plus, minus 3 into 2, 6x. Minus into plus, minus 3 into 1, 3. So class, x is here, x is here. So as I told you, take this x from right hand side to left hand side. I told you your variable always should be in the left hand side. 17 minus 3, the remaining part. So 7x equal to 14, x equal to 14 upon 7, x equal to 2. This is your answer.